Ever wish you could automate repetitive tasks in Google Docs? Well, you're in luck. Today, I'm going to show you how to create and use macros in Google Docs. Macros are like little shortcuts that can save you tons of time. Here's how it works. First, open up a Google Doc and go to Tools in the menu. Then, select Macros and Record Macro. Now, perform the actions you want to automate, like formatting text or inserting images. Once you're done, click Stop Recording. Give your macro a name and click Save. Boom! You've just created a macro. To use it, simply go back to Macros under Tools, select your macro, and click Play. It's that easy. Macros can be a game changer for streamlining your workflow and boosting productivity. So, next time you find yourself doing the same thing over and over again in Google Docs, remember to create a macro and let it do the work for you. Happy automating!